Humans have been improving genes for thousands of years. By choosing mates with desirable characteristics, we have been able to produce offspring with improved traits. Your purebred dog and your favorite seedless fruit are both some examples. Genetic modification serves the same purpose, to improve traits. GMOs are now prevalent in our food supply today, so it's very important that we are informed of what we are putting into our body. Having grown up on a farm, I have some personal experience with this topic. Genetic modification is a careful process intending to be useful, but could actually be damaging. Today I will quickly touch on what GMOs are, why we use them, and some problems that arise. First, what are GMOs? GMO stands for genetically modified organism. An organism is any living thing, such as a plant, animal, or bacterium. Every organism has its own unique DNA, which are the instructions for how an organism functions. Scientists are now able to extract these instructions, modify them, and put them back, producing a new and improved version. So what improvements can be made? Well, GMOs have a wide range of usefulness. Like I mentioned in my last speech, genetically modifying plants allow farmers to produce more. In a 2006 article titled Pest-Resistant Crops, insects destroy nearly 1/4 of the world's crop each year. However, plants can be made to produce a chemical that is lethal to insects, reducing the amount of plants killed by bugs. Genetically engineered plants can also have additional health benefits. For example, we can incorporate certain medicines into our foods, granting easier access to healthcare. Also, getting our daily nutrient intake can be easier because GMOs could have higher nutrient content than the original. Now let's look at the drawbacks. GMOs are highly controversial because of their risk. Although no concrete evidence has proven modern GMOs to be harmful, 1, certain old strains have been confirmed to be poisonous, and 2, GMOs can be lethal to insects, demonstrating that they have damaging effects. Another significant consequence of using GMOs are the creation of super weeds and super pests. A genetically engineered plant can produce a chemical to kill insects. However, due to genetic diversity, not all of the bugs will die. In his 2012 article, GMOs and Pesticides, John McKernan says these surviving bugs will be able to pass on their traits to their offspring, giving them resistance to the plant's chemical too. This will continue even as stronger and more dangerous strains are developed. As you can see, it's not surprising that people are skeptical about GMOs. Today I quickly covered what GMOs are, along with their perks and risks. Although they can be helpful, they might also be detrimental. It's important to be informed so we can all make our own decision regarding the use of genetically modified food.